Okay, everyone, let's talk about the demon door events again. You see, in the previous video, we claimed that this is one of the best, one of the most valuable events in the Hero Wars game. And here we demonstrate what we invested. And actually, in that 3 days, we buy 2 of those packages. We collect 1,000 demon doors, and here we wait and we delayed the openings until this Water Titan event, the rainy season. Then we open all the doors so that we have double the reward. Once that we get the reward, the other is that we also finish the quest from the Water Titan event. So this is always strategy we're going to use. We want to collect a lot of things and then we want to use it to double the reward. And in this video, the key point we want to make is to show why we said this is the best event. You see in here, right, we have all the coins. We have the soul stones of Celesta, Dory, and Martha, the 3 best healers. And we have gold, we have all the Titan portion, pet portion. Each of those, of course, they have some values. For example, the chaos particles, right? 1 chaos particle is 7 emerald. That's when you upgrading your pets, right, you can see the options, right? Either using emerald or using the chaos particles, 1 to 7. You buy the hero equipment either using coins or using emerald. You can see that each of those coins is roughly 0.2 of emerald. And then soul stones, right? 1 soul stones are roughly 100 of those coins, because 500 coins you can buy 5 soul stones, either outline coins or tower coins. Of course, the way you get the coins is different, the way you feel the coins value is different, but in the game they are all equal. When you buy the soul stone from the shop, they are all 500 coins for 5 soul stones, so each of soul stones roughly 20 emerald. And then to fairly compare, to fairly show that how is the value of each door, we build this website. We build this website to input all this systematic value of each of the item. And okay, here is the, you see, we show you all the source code that, yes, I wrote it. And later on, we can launch this website. And we see the front end, right? This is all the items we collected. Here let's go launch it. Give it a second. Yeah, this is still in demo mode. Later on, if there is, let's say, more than 1,000 views, or I say more than 1,000 subscribers, that we have enough people that having these communications, we are planning to make a leaderboard so that people can have their luck index when they opening each of those rewards, those quests. Right, we want to see, yeah, who is lucky and how much different it can be, right, when you open 100, 1,000 of those chests, of those demon doors. So okay, here what we have, leaderboard is not implemented yet. The quest we have implemented is the 3 Titan events and this demon door. You see all the things is here, and if you want to test each of those items, single items value, can put before as 0, after as 1, so you see the single values there. Now I have already finished the openings, and then I will just put whatever I have before and after. So the demon door is still opening on the small window. Let's just copy all the result I got after opening it. We'll see. Yep, this is an opening series from 1,000 to 600. At the end, you have 6, 4, 2, 6, right? And then there is a lot of gold. There's a lot of each of the coins. yeah, we talk about how we derive the values, right? Again, this is the value from the systematic ones, right? You see the gold is roughly 1 emerald, roughly 2,000 gold, right? So each of the gold is 0.0005 of the emerald, and together I got about 45 million of the gold, right? So it's roughly 2,000 emerald, and for the $1,000, roughly give you 2 emerald for that value. And then the arena coin, green anointing coin, tower coin, friendship coins. I have this one from myself, 1,000 demon doors. I also have some openings from my guildmate Drag. He has 3,000 demon doors. So you can see that we all appreciate the value of the demon door. We all opening a lot. For me myself, I use all the bottle energies I stored. I even bought 2 packages. And why I bought 2 packages, so we can make another value to compare all the offerings on the site. Right? Once you know the systematic value of each items, you have roughly a better understanding, I'd say a much better understanding of how they offering each of the items, why those bundles are offered, let's say, freely to all the VIP 10 and above. Because before VIP 10, right, the money dollar you get by buying the emerald is kind of like not as good as you buying those bundles, especially when you VIP 0 or you VIP 1. For each dollar you can buy like 500 rounds of the emerald, but after VIP 10, each emerald you can buy 700, 800, 1,000. Then the value of those bundles is kind of like diminishing. You rather buy the emerald and using the emerald to buy all the things in the game. So that's how I appreciate this way to see the values. Of course, right, when at a different stage each of the item has different value to you, right, then you can adjust by, you can still using this value system, but you can adjust. I say, okay, I don't feel this emerald is enough, right, for me to go ahead, or say I don't feel this Celeste is kind of like no longer useful to me, right, because after this event I'm pretty sure I will get Celeste into 6 star, right? I already have her in 5 stars, and yeah, I will get 300 soul coins here. Right, so yeah, here's the key point. You see, after we put all, the average chest value, average door value is 58 emerald. Let's say 50 more, right? But you see, each of the doors costs you 35 energy. So that 300 emerald, if you buy the bottle energy, which is not as efficient, you buy it as daily, but it's limited, right? Bottle energy, that give you 200 energy. You buy 300 emerald, you buy 200 energy. 200 energy roughly give you 7 of the doors, right? 7 doors cost you 210, right? But 6.87, right? Then each of the doors has what? 50 of emerald. So 6 or 7 of those doors give you 300 emerald, right? So what that means? That means you roughly get free energy, right? Let me say it again, free energy, right? The Demon Door event gives you free energy, right? Free energy. I know I said it a lot, but it's a key, right? It's give you the free energy. So do it as long as the value is okay, right? Okay to you, right? Then do it as much as possible, right? Then yeah, enjoy the game. See you there.